Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the world of Indian chai tea. Chai has a rich history, dating back to ancient India, where it was used in Ayurvedic medicine. Today, it's a daily ritual for millions. To make authentic chai, you'll need black tea, milk, and an array of spices. Cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. Each spice adds its own unique flavor, creating a harmonious blend. Here's how to make it. Start by crushing the spices to release their aromas. Boil water and add the black tea and spices, letting them simmer for a few minutes. Add milk and sugar, then bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Let it simmer until the flavors meld together. Finally, strain the tea into cups and enjoy. Experience the warmth and aroma of India right in your kitchen. Brew yourself a cup of this flavorful chai and let its rich, spicy notes transport you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious explorations.